Hi my paper crafting family, welcome to the fauna edition of Paper and Joy. This month the animal of choice is a butterfly, inspired by one of our members who loves butterflies and was interested in one of the butterfly invitation I did a few months ago for my daughter. So this was inspired by her, and so if there's any things that you would like done, please let me know and we'll see what we can do. So yeah, I'm excited about this, that it's come from one of you. So yeah, I do like you guys to be involved in the process. It's your club. So the card we're making this month is this one. So it's Summery. It's got a bit of yellow or orange. The one I'm showing you here is the yellow one. It's got this beautiful handmade studded paper, which I really love, so I fell in love with that and thought I have to use that. And yeah, got a bit of a rustic sort of, the sentiment here is the ripped paper. And then inside the card, let's get that open, a few more butterflies as well. Alright, so let's see what you get in your packs and start crafting. Okay, so here's what you get in your packs. You've got, now you'll either get a yellow selection of items or an orange selection of the sentiment and card. So depending on what you've said your colour preferences are, I've given you either yellow or orange. If yellow or orange wasn't on your preference, I've decided for you. So hopefully you like the choice I made for you. Yeah, so as I said, you get the sentiment sheet, an envelope, card base. Now I have given you both the yellow and the orange background butterflies, so you can decide whether you want just one or whether you want to put both on and maybe fold some of the wings a bit forward so that they stand out, or sort of do another design that's completely different to mine. So I've given you both the yellow and orange there. I've given you one of the big base butterflies. So as I said, this is this beautiful handmade paper which has studding on it, and I thought this is just beautiful, so I love that. So that's for the front, and then there's two little accent butterflies as well for the front, and then a selection of smaller butterflies there for the inside to put in, and everyone's got one orange and two yellows. Okay, so today I am crafting with the yellow selection, so let's get crafting. Okay, so you'll also need a gluing sheet, scrap piece of paper, and your card base. We might actually do, we'll do the sentiment first, sorry. So on your sentiment sheet, choose which one you want. You'll also need a ruler for this bit. I've done sort of, I guess, going with the handmade paper butterfly, a bit more of a rustic look for the sentiment. So you can either cut it out, or what I've decided to do is actually sort of tear it out with using the side of the ruler. So if you would like to do that, you can as well. I'm going to choose the for you. It may be that if you choose one of these centre ones, just do a sort of a big brown cut out around it. You'll have to sacrifice some of the other ones, but that will just help you rip, I think, a bit easier. Okay, so you just use your ruler to line it up. So along the inside of the printed line, because we don't want that in the on the paper. And then just tear along your ruler. And just work your way around. Just again lining up your ruler along the line. holding it down quite firmly. Now, if you really want a more of a sort of tattered edge, you can hand tear it. It won't give you the sort of straight line sort of effect, but if you're gentle, if you're careful, you can get a reasonable line, and it does give you a bit more of that sort of tattered effect, depending on what the look you're after. Alright, so I've just got one more edge to do here. There we go. So as you can see there, I thought that sort of matched well with the handmade paper, just to do something a bit different. Okay, so we will stick that on first so that we can place our butterfly. So this one I've chosen to go down in the bottom right hand corner. So grab your glue. And nicely to the edges as always. And we'll stick that on. So just a little sort of white border around. There we go. Okay, so now we've got sort of room, we know where to place our butterfly because it's reasonably big. I'm going to put it a little bit of an angle like that because I think that looks nice. You can pop it straight if you like, whatever you choose. Alright, so some glue on that. Again, nicely to the edges. And then where you would like it. So this background piece is slightly bigger than the handmade paper piece, so you can see the colour come through the back there. Alright, so grab your handmade paper piece. Now they're a little bit delicate, as you can see, so just gently glue these, don't rip it if you can. And sort of work your way from the inside to the outside, so not going in from the edge to the centre, but from the centre to the outer edge, because then it shouldn't tear. Okay, and then placing that. To line this one up, I just line the body up. So sort of I'll show you in a minute. There we go. Okay, so where this sort of the little triangle corners are here, just sort of line those up with the background piece. And then that sort of sits quite nicely. Okay, and then the other two bits for the front are the other small handmade pieces. Again, being gentle with your glue, but getting enough on. I'm going to put one down the bottom. Oops. There you go. Just tore a bit off there, so you can. Oh no, I didn't. It's the feature of the paper. There you go. Thought I tore some. Okay, and the other little butterfly. Thought, oh, that shows how delicate it's delicate but sort of sturdy at the same time. And the other butterfly I'm putting up the top here. There we go. And then so that's the outside done, which I think looks quite nice. I like this. And then the inside. So again, you can choose 1, 2, 3, none if you don't want to decorate the inside of a card, and wherever you like to put them. This side, I'm going to do one in the top left and one in the bottom right. Yeah, you could do on that side. You could do, no, not there, because you can't write. Maybe on this side, here we go, like that. You might like just one. You might like all three with, let's see, this, the orange piece. Let's see how that looks. And it doesn't quite fit, but you could do it diagonal. There. So there we go. Get creative with those and show me some pictures of what you come up with, because I love to see them. All right, so I'm doing 2, and in these corners. Again, working from the center to the outside so that you don't accidentally crease it or rip it. Nice. I thought I quite like the orange and the yellow. It was a nice summer card, I thought. Hope you like it too. Let me know. Love to see messages and pictures and hear some feedback about whether you're liking the cards. Alright, so there we have it. Our butterfly card for summer. Hopefully you enjoy making that and enjoy giving that. Alright, till next time. Bye for now.